Welcome to Boutir Tutorials. In this video, we will be guiding you on how to set up Instagram shopping for your online store. For better experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, open your Instagram account. Then, click Edit Profile and connect your Facebook page. Please ensure that the Facebook and Instagram accounts are both owned by the same person. Now, the Facebook page will be linked to your Instagram page. Next, go to your settings. Click Business. Click Set up Instagram Shop. Click Sign up for shopping. Then, connect your Facebook account. Here, double confirm your linked Facebook and Instagram page. If all is correct, click Continue. Now, click Yes, Finish Setup. Click Connect Facebook account. You will then be redirected to connect to a catalog. Make sure the connected catalog is the right one. Click Next. Now, insert your Boutir website domain. Click Next. Finally, review the shop details. If done, click Submit for review. Your account will be reviewed by Instagram in 2 to 3 working days. In some cases, some merchants may click on Set up Instagram shopping and will be redirected to verify their domain name immediately. When you meet this problem, here are the steps to follow. Open your Facebook Business Manager on desktop, then click on the 3 lines button on the top left corner. Then, click on Business Settings. Next, click on Brand Safety and choose Domain. Add your Boutir store domain, then click Add. At this part, select the DNS/TXT option. Copy the DNS/TXT. Next, please contact our customer service. Our customer service will then update our DNS/TXT record in order to verify your domain. Wait until the process is complete and then click Verify Domain. With that, your store is successfully connected to your Instagram shop. Download Boutir now on Google Play Store or App Store.